How to use the potty, Aiden? Do you know how? Show me.
You want to show her? Can you use the potty? No. Not in front of the camera, Mom.
Hi, Urkel.
You're so fun. Want to use the potty? Show Emily?
Whoa, hold on, Emily. Oh, wait. She's getting off.
Okay. You want to push him?
Push him, Emily.